Logarithmic function or log function. How do we define this? A function y equals fx, what does it mean? That means it works as a machine. X goes inside, y comes outside. So x, all the values which x can take is the domain, y, all the value y can take is the range. So fx is log x, base is b. So the important thing is this b cannot be equal to 1, first thing, and b has to be greater than 0, non-negative value. If you remember exponential function or exponents, these exponential function and logarithmic functions are inverse of each other. So in exponential function, we would write y equals b to the power x. B cannot be equal to 1 and b will always greater than 0. So the domain of exponential function is the range of log function, and what is the range of exponential function will be the domain of log function. So this is vice versa because they are f and f inverse. So x can only take all the positive numbers. The domain of f is all the positive numbers, because if you take any in exponent also, we just found out this y is similar to x here. So y can only take positive values in the exponent function. Similarly here. So there are certain properties of the log functions. Y equals you can take b to the power x. We will always relate this with an exponential function because they are inverse. So if you take y equals e to the power x, and if you take a mirror line phi equals to x, the y log x will be just the mirror image of exponential function. Exponential function and the log function are mirror image of each other. First thing is y equals log basis b x. Base b is this one which you see in exponential function as y equals b to the power x. B cannot be equal to 1, b has to be greater than or equal to 0. The domain will be, this domain will be the range of exponential function. So 0 to infinity, because always the value will be what? It will always be non-negative, 0 to infinity. And what is the real number? What is the range? Range will be all the numbers, real numbers, because x is not limited. X can be any value in exponential function. And what x here is y there. So negative infinity to infinity, all numbers you can put. Then if you see in the exponential function, the graph passes through 1, 0. Similarly, if the mirror image you take, mirror image for log x, which is the base e, this will pass through, this is 1, 0. So this will pass through mirror image of 1, 0 is 0, 1. 1, 0 is 0, 1. So log function will always pass through 1, 0. Okay, and it is continuous. You don't have to pick your pen to draw it, and also it will be differentiable also. We'll see later about that. And at b greater than 1 it is increasing, b less than 1 it is decreasing. That is log 10x, if you base 10 it will be increasing. If you take log half x, that is 0.5, which is less than 1, it will be decreasing. Now let us draw the graph of log x basis e. Why we want to show it? Because y equals ex, the inverse of this is log x, which is base e. So if you can draw the graph of y equals ex, the y equals log x will be exactly inverse of this. But we need to discuss this. We need to see the values, how we have to draw this. We can't just say that y equals ex, make the mirror image, and that will be log x. We have to give the proper value. The function is y equals log x and the base is e, because ln stands for e, log stands for base 10. Okay, so log e. Now let us put value as x as e. So the base is same, log bb is 1. So now x, if we give e, log e will be 1. For x equals e, we'll get y equals 1. So this y is 1, x is say 2.72 is the value. I'm just approximating, okay, not measure to be scaled. So this is e is 2.72. So when you put x as e, y will be equal to 1. As you see, log e is 1. So this is your first value. X is e and y is 1. This is first value. Okay, when we are going to get this log x as 0, so e will be e, and we are relating it to the exponent function also. What will be y equals log e to the e x, so e to the power y is x. What will be the value at, that is y has to be 0. So y will be 0, x will be 1. E to the power 0, that is anything to the 0 is always 1. So e to the power 0 is 1. So x will be 1 when y is 0, and now let us use it in log. When x you put as 1, log log e x is 1. So log 1 is always this value, okay. So 1 and 0. If you put x as 1 in log, you'll get 0. So now you got the point, 2 points we have got. Now let us take one more point, and in the negative y value. So negative y value, y equals log base is e x. So e to the power y is x essentially if you take the exponential function. So now let us e to the power minus 1, let us put a minus 1. What do you get? If x, I'm just taking the exponent. So 1 by e is x, 1 by e is 2.72, and that is around coming to be 0.37. So if you put x as 0.37, y will be what? It will be negative 1. So we'll plot 0.37 on x-axis and negative 1 on y-axis. So x is 0.37 and this is negative 1. So we have got 3 points. Let us draw a freehand drawing. This will go above, so there will be no problem. Y is positive axis here, here negative axis. Now what you will presume, if I draw this graph, you will think that at some point this log x is going to intersect the negative y-axis. No, it won't. I'll give you an example. If you put negative infinity in place of this value, okay, e to the power by x, why I am putting as negative infinity? Because we are going to the negative infinity side of y-axis. So what is e to the power negative infinity? 1 by e to the power infinity. E is 2.72, so any number to the power infinity is going to be infinity. So 1 by infinity will be what? 1 divided by infinite number, which is going to be 0. So we are going to get x is 0. So that is x is 0, but that is you are talking about y-axis. So this log x is going to intersect on negative y-axis only when you go to infinity. That is, you will get negative infinity when you will get x only 0 y-axis only at negative infinity, and that is never going to happen because infinity is no number. So that is why we call it as asymptote, and asymptote you will get on the negative y-axis, which is x equals 0. X equals 0. You will get this as the asymptote. Okay, and all the values if you see